Silence once defined this car. Absolute, effortless silence. Yet for more than 3 decades, it sat forgotten, sealed away from the world inside an abandoned home warehouse, buried beneath neglect and time. What we uncovered wasn't just an old vehicle, it was dignity, craftsmanship, and history waiting to breathe again. A Rolls-Royce, the ultimate symbol of luxury, reduced to a shadow of its former self. Dust clung to every surface. The iconic grille that once announced quiet power was dulled by years of grime. The spirit of ecstasy, built to lead royalty and heads of state, stood frozen, unmoving, forgotten. Beneath the hood rested a V8 engineered not for noise, but for serenity, now silent, tired, and lifeless. Inside, the hand-stitched, leather and polished wood told stories of an era when cars were built, not assembled. This was never meant to end this way. The recovery began carefully. Every movement was deliberate. Every decision carried responsibility. We didn't rush, because restoring a Rolls-Royce isn't about speed. It's about respect. From the first deep clean that revealed its true lines, to the meticulous inspection of systems designed to glide, not roar, every step brought us closer to revival. Panels were examined, hydraulics tested. Notes were taken as if documenting a living artifact. Piece by piece, the car was stripped down, not to erase its past, but to honor it. The goal wasn't to make it new, it was to make it right. Then came the moment that mattered most. When the engine finally turned, there was no aggressive growl, no drama, just a smooth, refined return to life, the way it was always intended. A quiet reminder that true luxury doesn't shout. It whispers. This isn't just a restoration. It's the return of grace. The resurrection of a legend that was never supposed to be forgotten. If you believe machines can carry soul, you're in the right place.